Buti na lang I was rejected 10 years ago. My rejection was actually a redirection. Buti na lang. Hi everyone, nandito tayo ngayon sa Shangri-La, no? We're just having our coffee, no? Celebration, mini celebration because a while ago nabigyan tayo ng guesting sa ABS-CBN News, DZMM Teleradyo. It was nostalgic for me because the last time that I stepped foot in the floor of ABS-CBN was 10 years ago. Kung hindi nyo nalalaman, no? ABS-CBN News was my OJT. Diyan ako nag-on-the-job training. And I will keep you in a little secret. Muntikan akong bumagsak dyan. Napakiusapan ko lang talaga. Humiling lang talaga ako na sabi ko, di ko napapangalanan kung sino siya. Retired na daw siya, tinanong ko kanina. Sir, para hindi nyo na ako makita next term, ipasa nyo na ako kahit pasang awa lang. Huling beses na natin magkikita, sabi kong ganyan. That was 10 years ago. So, how do you think I was feeling 10 years ago at looking at the halls of ABS-CBN? Of course, I felt rejected. I was sad, no? Little did I know that my rejection was actually a redirection. Buti na lang, God allowed me to be rejected. Kasi can you imagine kung pumasa ko with flying colors, I was an honors, let's say, sa OJT ko na yon, maybe photographer ako ngayon. Diba? And hindi nyo ako makikita, hindi nyo ako mapapanood. Kasi ako yung may hawak ng camera, shooting other people instead of other people holding the camera shooting me. 10 years down the line, bumalik tayo sa halls ng ABS-CBN News, and this time as a guest, no, speaker sa kanilang radio show. And isa sa mga little secret lang din, ang pangarap ko lang dati was to be a radio DJ. And for the longest time, I was rejected. Pero akong naka-experience to be in a radio booth. 10 years after na tupad ko na maimbitihan, magkaroon ng guesting, mapunta sa radio booth, this time as a speaker, buti na lang I was rejected 10 years ago. Because that rejection was a redirection towards my God-given purpose. So, anong moral nitong kwentong to? Kung nanonood ka ngayon and na-reject ka na sa buhay, maybe nire-redirect ka lang towards His God-given purpose. I hope you will have that patience. I hope you will have that encouragement. Kasi ako, inabot ako ng 10 years. Sana magkaroon ka rin ng pasyensya na mahintay yung purpose mo to come to pass para ma-realize mo na yung beauty of that rejection was actually your redirection towards the purpose from which God called you to do. Maybe this is an encouragement for you na huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, huwag kang sumuko dahil lang na-reject ka. Alam ko masakit, pero huwag mong susukuan yan. Because maybe 5 years, 10 years down the line, marirealize mo, buti na lang na-reject ka. Kasi kung hindi ka nagkaroon ng rejection, maybe hindi ka magkakaroon ng redirection. Kung hindi ako na-reject noon, maybe hindi nyo ako makikita ngayon. May this encourage you. Tuloy lang ang buhay. Make your dreams happen by inspiring possibilities.